My dear friends, many of those who don't have dogs often complain, no, we like dogs but cannot keep them. They shed a lot. Who will do the housekeeping? Yes, and even those who have pets initially, when they come to me, they complain. My dog sheds a lot. Yes, and now in the lockdown period, when there is no maid, you have to do all the housekeeping yourselves. Imagine what will be the situation at home. And even before lockdown, when there were all maids at home, and when the dogs used to shed a lot, my clients used to complain to me that if the dog keeps on shedding like this, my maid will run away one day looking at its hair fall. And no one can afford this. This is the posture of an itchy dog. Oh my God, look at this hair fall. So much of hair loss. Yes, my dear friends, so hair loss is a great loss for everybody. And yes, you know that hair loss in dogs is also known as alopecia. Hair loss can appear in patches or all over the body. There are many things that can cause a dog to lose its hair, but these 5 reasons so many dogs shed. These are the 5 reasons. And what are those 5 reasons? Why the dog sheds so much? These 5 reasons are: first is seasonal shedding. Dogs shed every 6 months. It is a natural shedding. Dog lose hairs when the individual hairs or the old hairs get damaged, or seasonally when there is a weather like warm weather, like there is more summer. So brushing your dog is very important. Brushing couple of times a week can remove and control this problem. So my dear friends, you can see these brushes what I have with me. These brushes will take care of this problem. This is the seasonal shedding. Now, second is bacterial or fungal infections. Bacterial or fungal infection, that is yeast, are normal inhabitants of the canine skin. But sometimes they can grow out of control and create an infection. These bacterial infection causes pimple-like pustules. I have already told you in my earlier episodes. These ringworms or fungal infection can cause also hair loss. This all can be controlled by regular deworming. This is done once in 2 months. Third reason, mange and other parasites. Mange is a term for itchy skin infection caused by mites. You know this. Mites are microscopic creatures that live on the surface of the skin. They also cause excessive hair loss by burrowing or chewing the skin. So this also can be reduced by application of spot on. That also we have covered in our earlier episodes. Now the fourth reason why dogs suffer from hair fall is allergies. Very, very important topic. And to stay away with these allergies, we have to immediately stop feeding wheat or gluten to our dogs. Very, very important. Do not give them wheat like chapatis. Do not give them milk, these dairy products. Fifth reason is any medical condition can cause hair loss like hypothyroidism or Cushing's disease. Okay, my dear friends, these are 5 reasons why there is a hair fall in dogs. Now we will discuss a case.